Alright fellas, apologies for my voice in this video. I'm way under the weather. Just woke up from a NyQuil induced nap to find some of the worst football news of the year. The AAF as we know it is over. Now I made a video about this last week saying that this was a very real possibility, and here we are. Football operations for the AAF have been suspended. After making that last video, I did a little bit of reading and I found an article about the XFL saying that they had $272 million set aside and that $272 million should be enough to get them through their first season. So obviously this confused me because when Tom Dundon came onto the AAF, he came in with a $250 million investment. That should have been enough to get through a whole season, if not several. However, here's what we were not told. The issue is that Dundon sure had pledged the money, but he was only actually giving it on a week-to-week basis, and he's invested a total of $70 million to this point, which is obviously $70 million and nothing to sneeze at. However, it's nowhere close to the $250 million that he pledged. Due to desperation, I think, from Charlie Eppersall and Bill Polian, they made the mistake of allowing Dundon way too much power. When he came on and made that pledge, he took unilateral control of the board, giving him the power to make huge league decisions against the wishes of the founders. That of course includes the ability to fold the league against the founders' wishes. Charlie and Bill's original plan was to become a feeder league for the NFL, but they were committed to a 3-year plan before that would happen. One of the main reasons is because, well, obviously they wanted to establish themselves as a legit league, but also the current CBA simply won't allow it. But that CBA ends in 2020, so they were gonna go to the table then. Hey guys, this is what we're looking at. I know y'all about to come to the table with a new CBA. Let's talk. But Dundon wanted to try to force an agreement now, which obviously didn't work. It really sucks as there's only 2 weeks left in the season, man, and 4 weeks until the championship was to be played. The broadcast stations like CBS and NFL Network, who were gonna air a lot of these games, I think CBS was gonna do the championship, they gotta feel away. I know they knew this was a possibility, but when they agree to air these games, you don't expect the league to just decide to fold like with 2 games left in the season. This also sucks for the fans as we were really getting into this league and really enjoying it. A lot of us were anyway. But obviously I feel the worst for the players. They were given hope for continuing their career. They put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears out there, and now, you know, they wake up to this news that their league is no more. Now, the reason they're saying they're halting football operations is because the tech side of the company is still, you know, up and running for the time being. I'm not 100% sure what's gonna happen with that. I know there's gonna be a lot more information that's gonna come out about this either later today or tomorrow, so I'll keep you guys updated. There's a lot of speculation that says Tom Dundon bought the majority stake in the company simply for the technology portion of the company, so it seems that he may have always had a plan to shut down the football side of it. At this point, and I hate to say only because it sounds like my mama, I remember saying only, mama, it's only $1, and get like, she gets super pissed, it's her dollar. So I don't want to sound crazy when I say this. It's only $20 million more to finish the season, but he's $70 million in at this point. There's 2 weeks left. He pledged $250 million, so another 20 mil approximately would have got them through the rest of the season, but it seems that he's gonna pull the plug right here. But I wanted to get this quick video out first, just letting y'all know that yeah, the league's football operation have been suspended, which means that the season is effectively just over. Unless something crazy happens within the next couple of days, we'll have to see. Tom Dundon seemed to have committed to the league, but built-in insurance policies, clearly. Like I said, I think it's really a bad idea to allow somebody that much power in your organization that quickly, but that's a decision that Charlie Eppersall and Bill Polian made, and it seems like they're already paying for it. Anyway, my name is FlemLo Raps. I'm gonna holler at y'all next time. One.